217.
CSX 3409 westbound 1 clear. Shane Q217-25.
Yeah, I was hoping to make it back to over here to my right, but that's alright. This is still Sandor Junction. It's over there. So alright, I think this will probably be my last one for now. Time is now 11:17. I'm not gonna make it to Morgantown. Not Morgantown. Morgan. Damn it. Steppertown. That's what I'm trying to think about. I'm not gonna make it, so I'm okay with it. So I'm going to probably stay here for about a few more minutes-ish, and then head home. So I don't want to go in that spot because I got, well, I know what I'm not going to say because they would aggravate me. I don't need to be aggravated because so I've been up for almost 13 hours. I forgot what name this road is, but Sandor Junction Single is to my left. Where I was before, it was an NS line going Sandor Junction, going north/south. Well, 12 hours going north. Tired. It's been a long day. Also, like I said, I got something going on tomorrow, so I won't be able to do anything welfaring wise. I need a break.
CSX 3409 westbound 1 clear. 1725.
Alright, I'll see you guys next time.